Okay, so I have about 4 days to get this going. Actually, less than 4 days because I work part of those days. I take time off my other job, but I work 2 jobs, so I still got to go to work. You know what? I just made a mistake. Today's Thursday, so in fact, I only have 3 days. Well, what's left of today, and then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then it's back to heavy duty overload working. So I want to try to get this going, if at all possible. Or at least come to a point where I can call it good. Well, that was easy. Look at that. I always think I'm trying to feed them, but I'm working too. So there's a 24-volt direct current slave connector, and the military has revised what are called slave cables, and they call them freedom cables now. But the whole master slave thing is, even in computers, you have a master computer and then you have the computers that controls, which are called slaves. So it's quite interesting how English keeps warping itself. These are on there usually pretty good. That's a 24-volt connector. I don't know why that's dirty. Anyway, so I gotta get I have a connector that'll fit that. So, and that's a slave start, right? It says right on there. And then there's the fuel filter. There I don't know. Let's look in the tank. Uh-oh. Got a little bit of crud in there. I need a light. It's probably empty. Yeah. To clean that out. One of the problems with these is a small tank doesn't run very long. So there's a way to have a modification with a larger tank. I just don't know exactly right now. So I need to get this going for the winter. Winter's going to be here very soon. There's the oil. Lefty loosey. Oh, it's dry. Dry. So different things have to be done to ship this stuff, and a lot of times they drain all the fluids out of these things. and then you got to do it. Refluidize them. So I have the oil for this. It's synthetic. It's 15 weight 40, I think. I'll have to look real quick. Here, stay here for a second. I'll look. Yeah, put this up. Block it up. Still here, wow. So here it is. 15 weight 48, but this is synthetic. I got it on an Amazon warehouse deal because it was I guess the case it was in blew apart or something, and they tried to get it back together, like the cardboard case it was in, shipping. So I sold it as a discount because it was all out of sorts. This is the same oil my Mercedes 300 SD takes as well, which is good. So I bought some extra oil for this engine, but my Mercedes leaks oil, so I had to use some of the oil. Excuse me, for my Mercedes, keep it going. So it's just, redundancy is pretty good, I'll tell you, especially when you didn't think about doing it and it worked out. So look how clean this is. I want to keep this super clean. I gotta store it properly. So anyway, next step is get some oil in there. Unfortunately, look, my funnel is gone funny. I'm gonna wash it out. It's cracked, but the crack doesn't go all the way down, so I can maybe still use it. But yeah, the sun is ruthless, the weather here. So I'm gonna wash that funnel. All right, step after step, we'll get this going.